This is Thomas Paul's week number 10. I greet you from Nairobi. You have seen here a lot of happy people because it is just minutes before that the final plenary of the 5th Assembly of the United Nations Environment Programme ended here. I'm standing here with Matthias Brünning, who is the director of the WA Sustainability Center, and he was so kind to do all my programs here. We met ministers and presidents, and it was really an amazing time. Matthias, what is so special? Why are people so happy? What happened?
Yes, many people are happy, and we are happy because the United Nations Environment Assembly today concluded with a big success. It agreed on the mandate to start a negotiation process for a global plastic treaty. It sounds very technical, but it's a huge success and it's a huge progress, because this will really mean that we have a legally binding instrument to stop plastic pollution in the next couple of years. And this has been concluded today here. You know how big a problem plastic pollution is in the world, and we as a faith actors, together with many other faith actors, have advocated for this to happen, and this has been the result, so we are very happy today.
And I hope we all agree that God did not create the ocean to get more and more plastics, and one day we cannot cross the ocean because all the plastic is in the way, but that we have to find ways, intelligent ways, to control the mass of plastic we have, to return it, and to assure that this stays a planet that is for living people and not for plastic people. Thank you very much.